Namaste and welcome to Pro Invest Wealth Managers YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about insurance and its importance. So what exactly is insurance? It is a contract between the insured person and the insurance company whereby the insured's financial risk is covered by the insurance company. The risk can be of different types like vehicle, property, life, legal, etc. So effectively, one passes on the risk to the insurance company and they charge a nominal sum of money for taking that risk, which is called the insurance premium. So what exactly is insurance planning? Buying term insurance is one of the most important financial decisions. But believe it or not, only 20% of Indians have term insurance. Why is it so important? Well, regardless of how much you earn, no one knows what the future holds for us. Lots of people die prematurely every year from illness or accident. And if you happen to be the sole breadwinner in the family and you were to pass away, it could have devastating consequences for your loved ones. Their ability to pay household expenses, debts, and maintain their standard of living. So we feel that you must prioritize insurance planning along with financial planning. What is term insurance? Term insurance is the basic and the simplest form of life insurance which pays the insurance amount known as sum assured to the beneficiary or the nominee in case the insured dies. The purpose of term insurance is to cover the financial aspect of risk. It is necessary for the breadwinner like a father or husband to have a term plan who has to take care of financial requirements of his wife, children and parents. The insured has to pay a premium towards the policy which can be paid in various ways, that is quarterly, monthly or annually. Annual and monthly options are the most preferred ways amongst buyers. Annual premium turns out to be cheaper than monthly premium because of loading. Please note, a term plan does not pay back any amount if the insured survives through the tenure of the policy, unless you have opted for a money back policy. Being the cheapest form of life insurance, term plans are able to offer a high insurance coverage at premiums substantially lower than other types of insurance. Let's deal with some FAQs now. Do I need term insurance? Life insurance isn't needed for everyone at every stage of life. You do not need life insurance if you do not have any financial dependence. On the contrary, you must adequately insure yourself if your demise will cause financial hardship to someone like your parents, spouse, or children. Do I need term insurance if I'm an SIP investor? You should buy a term insurance plan even before you start investing through a systematic investment plan if you have financial dependence. The size of the term insurance cover should be decided carefully. How much term insurance is required? There are few factors to consider like your annual income, your family's monthly expenditure, your future goals, your age, number of dependents and other things. Here are two simple rules to consider. Rules of 20. For every 100 rupees of SIP, spend 20 rupees on the term insurance plan. Ensure that the life insurance cover you get from your tip is approximately 20 times of your annual income. How to choose an insurance company? When choosing a life insurance company, it is a good idea to make sure that it has financial strength and longevity. You want to make sure that the company is going to be around later in life when you need them. The insurer you choose must have the credibility and integrity to fulfill his promise. Choose a plan that comes from highly credible company. Claim settlement ratio is a good way to look at the credibility of a company. It is the total number of death claims approved by an insurance company divided by the total number of death claims received by the insurance company. Is there a provision of MWP Act, Married Women's Property Act 1874, enables a married man to protect an insurance policy only for the benefit of his wife and or children. In case of a death claim, the policy proceeds are received by the trust and can only be claimed by the trustees, like a wife or children. It cannot be claimed by creditors, relatives, or form a part of a will. For instance, if you are a salaried person with a home or personal loan or the owner of a business and have accumulated debts, your creditors will have the first claim on your policy proceeds in the event of your death. When you buy a term insurance under MWP Act, your wife and your children will be the only ones who will have access to the claim amount, enabling you to secure their future financially. Some important points. Smoking habits should be indicated correctly. Even if the applicant smokes occasionally, he falls in the category of smokers. Most of the insurance companies consider you a non-smoker only if you haven't smoked at all in the last 5 years. Make full disclosures of any existing and previous medical conditions. If any material fact is not disclosed, the insurance company may refuse any claim arising out of the insurance policy on the basis of non-disclosure. Depending on your age, the insurance company may ask you to go through medical tests as well. Premiums paid towards term plans and critical illness rider are eligible for deductions under Section 80C and 80D of Income Tax Act. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Pro Invest Wealth Managers. See you soon.